Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. So today we have Foxin's newly launched FoxFit Active Smartwatch. Now this one comes with two straps inside the box. First, a silicone strap for comfort and workouts, and second, a metal strap when you need that formal look at the premium feel. Rest, it has all the features that we see in a smartwatch: an Sp02 sensor, heart rate sensor, blood pressure monitor, and so many other features. I'll be doing a giveaway for this one, so watch this video till the end to know how you can win it. But first, we'll unbox it and have a closer look at it. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the FoxFit Active. Now this watch comes with two straps, silicone strap and a metal strap included in the packaging. Towards the back, you can see the combinations it's available in. So you come with a silver metal strap with a grey silicone strap, golden metal strap and a red strap, a black metal strap and another grey strap. Towards the bottom, you can see some manufacturing details and the MRP, which is $2,999. Anything else? Oh, lots of things. So on this side, you can see it comes with 1.4-inch touch display, Sp02 monitor, 24-hour heart rate tracking, 200 plus watch faces, 7 plus sports modes, real-time notification, IP68 rating, magnetic charging and sleep monitoring. Alright, let's quickly open it up. Alright. So first thing you can see is that the metal strap is already attached to the watch, which is really nice. Foxin branding right on the top. Ooh, here is the second silicone strap. Now I'd say this is not grey, but this is more on the dark blue side, and actually this looks pretty nice. Then you have a magnetic charging cable. Then you have some paperwork, 365 days warranty. There's an instruction guide. And there is a 365-day 1-year warranty card as well. There you go. Alright, let's have a closer look at the watch. So you can see this comes with a metal magnetic strap. Yes, this is a magnetic loop which gets a good grip on your wrist. Let me wear it and show it to you. I'll just get rid of the sticker on the top. And there you go. Now the tighter you want to wear it, all you need to do is just leave it and it locks. There you go. You want to like to wear it a little loose, you can keep it here. And you don't have to worry about this. These magnets are pretty strong and they hold on very well. There you go. And the best part of metal straps is that they look so premium and clean. You can check this out yourself. This comes with the Foxin branding right here. The quality of the strap is pretty good. Let's have a closer look at the watch. Okay, there you go. So we have a square dial with a metal frame. Yes, the body on the side is made of metal and has this lovely flat design. Matte finish makes it look even more premium. On the other side, you have a single button design, really clean. Towards the back here, heart rate sensor, the Sp02 sensor and the charging terminals. Now these bands can be replaced with the silicone strap. All you need to do is pull this hook from here and it will release. There you go. Let's put the silicone strap. It's really simple, barely takes a couple of seconds. There you go. Wow. The silicone straps look really nice. Buckle design, chrome buckle with the Foxin branding. Really nice, very clean and soft and comfortable strap. Alright, let's quickly pair it. Alright, we'll take our Android phone, go to the Google Play Store and look for the app, The Fit. Here it is. Click install. Now the same app is also available for the iOS App Store. Now you come to devices, add device, press the button on the side and hold for a couple of seconds. There'll be a vibration feedback. You can see the Foxin branding. There you see. Click and you're done. Alright, let's have a closer look at the display. So we get a 1.4-inch display. This is an IPS display and the color reproduction and the text is pretty clear and sharp. You can have a close look at it. Looks really nice and vibrant. You can press the center of the display to change the watch faces. It comes with 4 pre-installed ones. Rest you can download many more from the app, which I'll come to in just a moment. The only thing that troubles me is the bezels on the top and bottom, but I can understand. The display is small, but still really clear and sharp. It also gets bright enough. You can adjust the brightness from the quick toggles on the top. You can keep increasing it, but remember, higher the brightness levels, lesser the battery life. And there you go, I'm wearing the watch this time with a silicone strap. And the first thing that I can tell you is that it's really light and comfortable. The watch with the strap weighs just 40 grams and it's really nice and comfortable, so you can wear it even at night to track your sleep. So let's check out the raise the wrist to wake the display. Wow, that was very responsive. Okay, really good. Wow, that is good. So one thing I can show you that the raise the wrist to wake the display is responsive and does work every time without fail. The watch comes with IP68 rating, so you can wear it for a run or at the gym and you don't have to worry about sweat or any sort of water damage. In fact, it also comes with swim tracking, so totally safe to wear in the pool as well. Coming to the sensors, so we get a dedicated HRS 3300 chipset for accurate heart rate monitoring. So let's check out the heart rate. We're going to keep it on the table to see how accurate we get the readings. And it says wear the watch properly. Alright, now let's wear it and see. And there you see we get 76, 77, 75 beats per minute. Then you can come here. We can also check out the Sp02. Click here. Make sure you hold still for a couple of seconds. 99%. Wow, that's really good. Then you also have blood pressure. Let's check that as well. There you go, 117 by 73. Cool. Alright, let's have a quick look at the interface. So press the button on the side to wake the display. Press the same button to put it back on standby. Swipe from top to access notifications. First one is the theater mode. If you turn on theater mode, your notifications are turned off and it reduces the brightness. Then you can adjust the brightness levels manually from here. Vibration alerts, weather, settings. In settings, let's start from the top. You have stopwatch, alarm, countdown, brightness levels, vibration, theater mode, reset, power off, about and QR code for the app. Going back to the home page, swipe from down to access your missed call alerts and notifications. Swipe right and you can access all the apps. So this is in a beehive format. I really like it, and the best part is that it's really smooth. You can access all your apps, your sleep tracking, your heart rate, your BP, everything is right here. It's really convenient. Then further swipe right to access the steps, sleep tracking, beats per minute, exercise, BP, Sp02, weather, camera shutter button, and the music player to control music that's playing on your phone, and home page. Alright, let's talk about watch faces. So first, when you go into the watch face section on the app, you can see the pre-installed watch faces and you can change them directly from here. So if you click on this, you will see it's changed here. You click on this, it will change right away. Now this fourth one you can actually set as a custom watch face. You go into edit, you select a picture of your choice, select OK. You can position the time up or down, the color of the font or anything. Click save. There you go. Now you can custom set a picture of your own choice. Then here you have more watch faces. Now this is very exciting. You actually have over 200 watch faces that you can download from here. Digital, analog, the collection is mind-blowing. It's just way too much. I've never been able to reach the bottom of the scrolling list. It's that long. So if you're someone who's fond of watch faces, this is going to be epic. So if you like something from here, click on it and you click on download. That's it. Easy peasy. And there you go. Let's check out call alerts. Okay. So fun thing to notice is that the notification on the watch came even before it came on the phone itself. Amazing. You can see the caller's name, an option to silent the ringer or reject the call. There's no way to answer the incoming call, but that's fine. Let's check out app alerts. And there you can see, similarly, you receive the notification instantly. You can see from which app the notification is, the sender's name and the message itself. Really good. So let's check out sports tracking. Swipe right, go to sports, exercise, and you'll see walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football, and swimming. So you have 8 fitness tracking modes available on this watch. Once you turn it on, there is a countdown, and you can see the time, the steps taken, the distance covered, the calories burned, and the beats per minute. If you swipe right, you can pause your workout or stop it. Simple and easy. Alright, let's have a look at the Darfit app interface. So if you come to the home page, you can actually see the activities of the day, today the steps taken, the sleep tracking, and actually if you go in, you can actually see so much more detail, which is amazing. If you come back here, if you go into sleep tracking, it will actually tell you deep sleep, light sleep, rapid eye movement, the time you were awake, all in detail. For the heart rate, your blood pressure, your blood oxygen levels, outdoor running. If you come here, you can actually see the FoxFit Active app is connected, the battery percentage, all the watch faces, notifications, from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Further, there's alarms which you can set directly from the app itself. Then there's the camera shutter app. You can select the camera and you can take the picture by just pressing the button on the watch itself. There you go. Coming back, in others, you have find device, time format can be changed from 12 hours to 24 hours, unit system for metric, do not disturb, reminder to move, continuous heart rate detection, but remember, if you turn this on, it will take a huge toll on your battery life. Drink water reminder, weather, menstrual cycle reminder, this will help women to track their menstrual cycles. Further, if you come to profile, you can change further things in your profile. The only thing this app lacks is that you can't share your data with Google Fit or Strava. Apart from that, it's a really comprehensive and very easy to use, very well organized app. Alright, coming to the battery. So the FoxFit Active comes with a 180 mAh battery. It's not too big, but still lasts for a week with typical use. The best part is that the watch is light and also that small battery charges pretty quickly, which is a huge plus. Alright, my final thoughts. Well, a bigger display would have been preferred, but on the flip side, it keeps the weight of the watch low and lesser battery drain. Also, the watch is really compact and doesn't feel chunky. For those who have thin wrists like I do, it's definitely something to consider. Also worth mentioning, very rarely do we see two straps along with the watch. Here we are getting premium metal strap as well, which is a huge point to consider. Now we don't have the price of this watch at the time of making this video, but expect it to be around 2,500. It will be available in 3 colors and you can buy it from Amazon. I'll leave the links for all in the description. You should definitely check it out. Alright, time for that giveaway and we'll keep it super duper simple. 3 simple steps. First, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Singh. Follow me on my Instagram handle, Mr. Singh. Then like the FoxFit Active post and one lucky winner will win this watch once the likes on that Instagram post cross 200. Yes, just 200 likes. But make sure you follow all those 3 steps or your vote won't be counted. So, what are you waiting for? Get going. Trust me, you wanna win it. So I hope this video was helpful. Until next time, cheers.